Look at this haul. What the heck? I put all this in my small backpack. On the way, on a bike trip. Got all these snacks and food for free, and I was hungry. And I'm like, dude, I need trail food. Hiking, biking trail food. And I got a ton of stuff. These whole bag of hot spicy peanuts, apple slices, dried out or something. A big bag of Cheez-Its. I've eaten about like 4 of these donut things. They're real good glazed, like blueberry donut things, bars. And Nature Valley biscuits, so good. Bunch of good cheese and crackers. Yeah. Hot fries, dill, chips, 2 big bags. That's all the consumable stuff. And I got a big thing of free coffee and some of these extra caffeine shots. Yeah, man. Awesome. I got these pants, camel pants. Got a green, it's like a olive drab polo shirt. Yeah. Pair of black socks, thick, good, nice socks. Got this white, it was a baby shirt or something. I'm gonna turn it into little pouches, and this will be rags. So it's a good lightweight, thin reinforced material. So yeah, that'll be perfect for a couple lightweight, durable washcloths. All these baby things were in a huge pile of like these donation things at a church on the way. There's all these places along the way, and they like beckon you to come over there. But this time it was just a big bin, and this was all going to go in the trash. So this was a hood from a little kid's thing. And I'm going to turn it into a pouch. I'm going to put a string on there. Moving on with the cloth, this was some little kid pants. People just drop this off, and then if people don't take it after a while, it gets rained on and wrecked, and they throw it out. And these were right next to the dumpster, going to be thrown away. I mean, there was a huge, huge pile of this stuff. I didn't look through everything. I just saw these sitting on top, all these brand new clothes and bags. People just get them, and I was like, huh, that's cloth. That's denim. It's already prefabricated. I'm going to cut it in half and sew those together. That's going to hold all my bushcraft, folding saw, bushcraft knife, mini machete, other machetes in the sheath. Smaller one you could stick in there, have a pouch, and connect this to a bag and have it strapped on there instead of buying $10 or $15 utility pouch. Craft your own. Then it has these little pockets, and very cool. You put a little fire stuff in there. Maybe I could put a toggle. Yeah, just cut a hole, tie a piece of paracord, have another hole there, make a little ratchet toggle. Real cool. See stuff like this, and I get to that crafting mood. Then this was kind of like the same thing, but it had a stuffed animal on top. So I took it off. But look at this. It's like real soft on top. Meant for a baby. Then it's like this satin material. And it's like woodland brown. I was like, yes, yes, I want that. Then since I ripped that hole off there, it turned it into like a pouch. So I could use it, throw down, put whatever you want on there. Phone, battery, stuff you don't want to get scraped up and everything. Have your phone in the case, go like that. Have something like just whatever, put it in a bag. And this is good packing for battery bags, flashlights, headlamps, things you could roll up. I use bandanas, but this is good because it's like padding. It's actually like padded now. Then you can compartmentalize things. Very cool, very cool. I like that a lot. That's it with the consumables and those things. Then little like random odds and ends you find. I found this yellow ribbon. I have a lot of uses for this yellow ribbon. It doesn't break real easy. It's for construction. You see them like all over the place. I would pay $1 or $2 for like some of this, or maybe you would buy it in a roll or something. I'm just saying, like if I needed a little piece of that, I don't know, and it was important. There's so many things you could do with that. Just too many things. I was like, I need a bright yellow, fluorescent, lightweight thing for tagging things, trail stuff, labeling things in bags, visibility on things. You could strap it to you, put it on bike parts. It's just like endless, really. Tie things up with it that don't need a lot. Like open up a food, you tie it up with that real quick, a piece of that. It's amazing. Got this little end cap. This kind of stuff always falls off of like people's stuff, on the side of the road. It's actually a highway, but you could ride a bike or walk, and then there's woods on the sides of the road. But that's how the roads here are. It's technically a highway. I think it's like 45 miles an hour people go, 50 or something like that. But yeah, this kind of stuff, and strapping and bungee cords and cables and connectors. Like these things you could collect all day just going around. And so this caught my eye. I was like, wait, what the heck was that? That looked really nice. And it's this purple strap, and it's exactly the color of my thermoflask coffee mug. So think of the customization now. Got that. And I got this kind of a strap. It has some elasticity to it. It's gonna go with that. It's gonna accessorize that. Many uses. You already know, this has that on top. And so I could secure this around it, have more of a sideways carrying handle, use it to secure this to things, just tie it real quick, put a toggle on there, attach a carabiner to it. I could sew it on the end, make a loop, and then have other hardware. I could use this also as a platform for any headlamp. That's all you need, you attach your headlamp to that. It's a real good strap. So that was really cool. That's probably my favorite thing I found of the things that were found. I got this brand new N95 double thick cloth mask, which is going to help in dusty environments and particles and things like that, breathing chemicals and stuff. So that's awesome. 2 good big band-aids, or 3, 4, no, 2, yeah. So that was a good resource to just find. I don't know where I found them. I don't remember. Oh, they were in someone's travel bag that they threw away. So that's what this stuff was. So we got a small bottle of Tylenol. Now I have acetaminophen to add to my first aid and care medical kit. I'll keep those on me, on my person. Then got a whole bottle of this. This is the best thing ever. As far as soap, get a good look at that thing. All right, if you look this stuff up, it's fucking amazing. The whole thing is pure castile soap. Pure castile means soap made from plant oils without synthetic detergents. This stuff is the best stuff in the world. It's lavender, and it's super strong and concentrated. You put a little bit of it in a bottle and mix it up, and it lasts forever. You could wash your feet, soak your feet in that. Well, there's like a million things you could do with it. You could soak your feet in it, wash, like, you know, your socks and the insoles of your shoes. And this stuff kind of like disinfects it like naturally and leaves it smelling super fresh, and it makes it kind of like mold resistant and stuff like that. If you clean gear or other stuff that's a little mildewy, it just stays fresh. Amazing stuff. You put a little bit of this in a spray bottle, it becomes like a deodorizer for the air. You spray it around, spray it in the tent, spray it on your gear. It's like Febreze. Any kind of clothing before you wash it, you know, freshen it up a little bit, and it will mess up any kind of bugs, ants. Like, you spray this on them and they die. Very strong, good stuff. Keeps flies and mosquitoes away, so it's like a bug repellent. This stuff is like miracle stuff, and I got like a whole bottle of it today for free. The last one I had lasted me a good like 2 or 3 months. So that was amazing. That was a great find. This, another amazing, great find. Purifying face scrub. So, yeah. And then this is the most badass thing of all. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Beefy headlamp. Swiss Tech with a huge battery bank that sits on your head. It's like somebody threw this away. They threw it away. They threw this away. It has USB 3 charging, or 2, whatever, C. I don't fucking know what it's called, but that's the light. It's super comfortable, and it's rechargeable. It has multiple modes. It has a light on off. Has light on off, so you just press a button, light comes on. Then you have the other one for the modes. I can't believe it, dude. So all these things, one thing after another, came up on all that stuff today. Absolutely bonkers. Didn't have to spend $1, and I made 25 bucks. I did 2 jobs real quick. Just talking to people. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Then I rode home. That was my day. 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now I'm back. I'm going to play some Minecraft. Look at all my new stuff. I have to go charge this thing up all the way. I have my solar battery plugged in right now. I'm going to plug it into there. So I'm getting my free power from the sun off that while I'm at this camp. And I'm going to power that thing up, charge it up. Then when it gets dark, I'm going to use free power from the sun off a free beefy headlamp that I just got for free with a huge battery. Yo, what's good? That's awesome. And hello to a new subscriber. I hope you like my random content and videos, because yeah, I'll be here. I hope you enjoyed seeing all this interesting stuff. Got my cargo bag there, packed, dense object, small salt pack, and my load-bearing chassis rig frame. Yep. See you next time.